Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? GCT, guys. Now, it's not so much, I mean, of course, we all know about the races. If you don't, it's at the top of the leaderboard, won 8 races today. But why GCT? Well, all you have to do is really just take a look at something like SHPH. This is a crazy IPO yesterday, and came out at I don't know $20, got all the way. In fact, this morning got up to 125. But GCT is another one of those IPOs from a few days ago. Let me get the time frame here. Okay, so here's where it launched, got all the way up to 61. So I think what's happening is that some of these recent IPOs, sympathy plays, traders trying to figure out, boy, because GCT do anything like what those other two did yesterday. So I think that's what's happening. So try to take advantage of it. All right, guys, want to get back into the trading room. There should be another IPO later on today. Very interested in it. So I'll open the room tomorrow, 8 o'clock. Have a great evening, and we'll see you then.